You are hearing the sounds of an earthquake right now. Mexico was rocked by an earthquake called its strongest in a century. I woke up early this morning to find on my iPhone that there was an 8.1 earthquake in Mexico. There's residents on the street with blankets. Wow. In Mexico City, they gathered outdoors after an earthquake struck off the Pacific coast about 450 miles. Wow, this is in the New York Times this morning. It's unbelievable. It was the most powerful earthquake to hit Mexico in 100 years. It struck off the nation's Pacific coast late Thursday, rattling millions of residents in Mexico City with its violent tremors, claiming at least 5 lives and leveling some areas in the southern part of the country closest to where the quake occurred. About 50 million people across the country felt the earthquake, which had a magnitude of 8.2, according to the Mexican government. The force sent residents of the mega city fleeing into the streets at midnight, shaken by the alarms, blaring over loudspeakers, and a full minute of tremors. That is so scary. Windows broke, walls collapsed, and the city seemed to convulse in terrifying waves. The quake even rocked the city's landmark Angel of Independence monument. In a place called Connecticut, reporting here, get with the program's Deborah K. Levi. Well, these events didn't coincide at the same time over the same place, but you hear the earthquake news there in the Hurricane Irma. It's happening all at the same time. There was an earthquake in Japan also. It was a big earthquake, and earthquakes do travel. And so all I could say is be prepared for anything these days. The news has just been